Good evening, guys and gals. Namaskar from Sanskari Ladka. How are you doing today? Must be thinking I'm late on my video. It's a thing of great honor when friends tell me that my video is missing. So I'm not missing it today. It's just a thing that I've been thinking upon since last evening or today, the whole day. And it was voiced by a very important character by the name of Spider-Man. There's this one very important caption in the Spider-Man 1 movie which says, with great power comes great responsibility. Especially in this pandemic, power can be misused, and otherwise also in normal life, whether it might be work, whether it might be relationships, power has to come with a certain responsibility. And I'm trying to talk about the important lesson that Spider-Man has taught us through this thing. There are a lot of other movies made by him. However, this one dialogue, has made a great sense to a lot of people around us, and especially to me. So what I want to clear the air about is that, a lot of people has been asking me about things. I want to clear the air and come open and let all of you know. It's a courageous thing that I'm doing today, to let all of you know that I have been inflicted in the most closest relationship of personal life, that is a spouse relationship, and things are undergoing as of now. There's been a lot of things. So since people have been asking me, thank you so much for checking on me, by the way. I've been spreading happiness and humor, or I've been trying to do that, and I am coming open about it today that I've been going through a little something, not a lot. Everybody is fighting their own battles, so I'm just clearing the air. Thank you so much again for asking me, and thank you for checking on me. But the video has been delayed till today evening for this reason, because I've been giving it a thought. I'm letting my friends openly know that there is a little something on my personal front which is still undergoing, and I hope to resolve it soon in the most amicable fashion. My spouse or my married relationship has not been the kindest to me, and I don't want to dwell into the details, but I don't want to play the victim card like the other person, or whatever it might be. And the intention of this video is not to attack anyone. However, if with great power comes with great responsibility, it is valid in a marriage or any relationship, which I have not seen the good side of. And it's been 6 years that I've tried to hold this thing together, but probably the other person has not gotten it. And this is me being open to you, since all of you have been checking on my well-being, and that's the reason Sanskari Ladka came up, to spread happiness, because I know what it feels like when you have nothing, correct? And a lot of us know, I'm not boasting here, a lot of us know. Everyone is fighting their own battles. Courage to you, healing to you, power to you, happiness to you. And guess what? A lot of us are liking Spider-Man, right? A lot of kids and a lot of games around Spider-Man have been made, and I've been a gamer all my childhood. So I wanted to let you know about this cool place called Airdrop. Check out Airdrop. It's a cool place for gamers accessories, whether it might be t-shirts, whether it might be mobile covers, and whether it might be masks. So check it out. Spider-Man has a lot of cool games. I've been a gamer, and life has taught me a lot through, let's say, the game of marriage or game of relationships, and I'm learning as we go, and I hope all of us learn. So thank you so much. I feel very honored for the love of Sanskari Ladka. I feel very honored and comforted that you guys have been checking on me. Thank you so much. Take care, be safe, and game as in life, and game as in Airdrop, and game as in Spider-Man or any of the other characters. So do check out Airdrop. Snazzy place, good stuff. And pray for me as well, that not the game that I'm playing, but whatever is undergoing resolves soon. And to all of you, this too shall pass. Thank you. Take care. Keep smiling.